Tennis is an awesome summer activity, keeps you on your toes. It's a full body workout. You're working all of your fascial lines in all multi-plane directional. I love tennis. I've been playing it since I was 5 years old, and I'm 40 years old, so I got some aches and pains, got to work out. So make sure you guys warm up before you play some tennis, work through those calves, the upper back, the shoulders, and enjoy your tennis. I have been playing tennis for 35 years now, and I have some aches and pains, and I like to give a little bit of a warm-up right before I play some tennis. So here's just a quick routine that you can go through if you're playing tennis. It's great to activate your muscles, desensitize, get yourself warmed up, get your core warmed up, and really mobilize your shoulders. So it's a great thing for tennis elbow or any shoulder injuries to get your range of motion and get your back aligned. So give it a try. These are some activation stuff you can do before you play some tennis or badminton, and let's roll.